How to block ads on any Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable ads across your device using private DNS. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. From there, tap on Private DNS. At this point, select Private DNS Provider Host Name from the options. In the next step, tap on the text field and type in dns.adguard-dns.com, exactly as shown. Following this, tap Save to apply the settings. Once done, you should see it now shows as connected under the private DNS setting. Finally, restart your device to make sure the settings are fully applied, and ads should now be blocked across your apps and browser. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you block ads on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.